Located in the center of the Las Vegas Strip is the Cosmopolitan Hotel and Casino. Now, to foodies, the Cosmopolitan is known for its extensive list of top dining musts. Upon entering the casino, one cannot miss the beautiful and elaborate chandelier that cascades down 3 levels. This beauty is even more breathtaking as you're making your way up the escalator to the second floor, which houses one of our favorites, Block 16 Urban Food Hall. Now, don't be confused by the name, because Block 16 is more of a culinary destination than a simple food hall. Some of our favorites include the pad thai and the Vietnamese fish sauce chicken wings from Pak Pak, which actually originated in Portland by Chef Andy Ricker. Hattie B's hot chicken, which originated in Nashville. We love the crispy fried chicken served with soul food sides like pimento mac and cheese and southern greens. Across the way, you can't go wrong with a sandwich from another restaurant that originated in Portland. Lardo, the Korean pork shoulder, and the Bronx Bomber are our faves. Don't forget to get a side of those dirty fries. Craving a quick sushi roll? Then Tekka Bar is for you. The best part is the variety of sake that you get to wash down your freshly made sushi rolls with. Here's a favorite from New Orleans, District. Their sliders are a great snack, and be sure to save room for dessert. They're known for their sweet treats. We love Block 16 Urban Food Hall, and we think you will too.